So this is my Snap-on Classic 96. It's my first real toolbox. Got it off of the Mako truck. Somebody traded it in and I picked it up right away for a great price. I'm still working on getting all my tools together, but I work on heavy equipment and it's not a bad start. I got I got my 1/2 inch, my 3/8, and my 1/4, and then I got my 3/4 inch. Got some adapters, my 3/4 inch Pittsburgh. These are actually Husky and good old Stanley for now. Got a nice 3/8 extension. Got my Matco impact sockets, 1/2 inch. Some more impact sockets. And then I got a Mako pry bar set. Coming on down. Got my Mako side cutters, dikes. Mako channel locks. Got a couple Mako needle nose. And these are some off brands. Mako crescent wrench. And eventually I'll switch on over to Mako, everything Mako. And it is more expensive, but it's lifetime warranty and it lasts. More pry bars, Mako. Screwdrivers, Husky. Mako ladies foot. Heavy duty magnet, which it can pick up a lot of weight. Like I said, I'm still picking up tools. These are all my SAE wrenches, ratchet wrenches, ignition wrenches. Everything is SAE in this drawer. Then you go down, and this is all my metric so far. Again, ignition wrenches. I've got a couple empty drawers in the box, but hopefully I'll fill them up soon. Here are my air tools, air impacts. And a big reason I want to switch everything over to Mako is lifetime warranty. I bought this probably 4 months ago, and last week I dropped a beam on it, like 4,000 pounds. And my Mako guy actually ordered a new cone for it, new cover, and it's back to brand new. So my ratchets, some are Husky, Stanley, and then you got your Mako swivel head, Pittsburgh, and just a few extensions, impact extensions. This is my electric drawer. some drill bits, impact bits, drill bits, and some tips. Some razor blades, files, little tweakers, you know, screwdrivers. Just some gloves, little crack torch, some storage, welding helmet, really been getting into welding. It is addicting. And then just my drawer, junk drawer as everybody wants to call them. I got some other bits, Torx heads, Allens. Some of the stuff is not in here right now. Electrical, you know, my meter, fluke, cheap Walmart fluke that lasted me a couple days until it didn't have some of the stuff I needed working on heavy equipment. Test light, junk box, jump heavy machinery, cars, you name it, this little sucker works. Oil wrench drawer, working on heavy equipment. I use this more than anything, the strap. Sometimes I use these, but that strap beats everything. And again, this is a Snap-on Classic 96, and it's not bad for a first, you know, toolbox getting into the field. But working on heavy